Hey guys, Bruce T here, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's been a week since I went up to the Nurburg Ring, and I had such an awesome time up there. It was phenomenal to go up there, see the scenery, and ride on the track. And if you haven't seen that video, check it out. It was such a good time, and I had so much fun up there. My Roush got filthy on that trip, and let me show you. There's a lot of spots on this thing, and I really need to take it to the car wash. It, you know, it got bug splatters all over it. And over here is a good one. I killed something there. And up here, another bug splatter. And the front is littered with bugs. It doesn't look that dirty from this angle, but it's filthy. My rims have got a lot of black soot on them, and it's just really, really, really dirty. I don't usually keep my car this dirty. Now you're probably saying, you know, well, why don't you go wash it? You know, that's the right thing to do when your car is dirty. You go take it to the car wash. Well, let me show you what my driveway looks like right now. As you can see, I cannot get my car out. They put a loader bucket in back of my car, and we got this mini tractor here doing some excavating, and they're putting a new driveway in my yard. And as you can see, even if that bucket wasn't there, I've got this big curb that my Jeep could probably get over, but my Mustang ain't gonna go over that to get it out to the car wash. So my car is marooned inside until I can get my driveway done and get it out. So she's stuck in there for now in my messy garage. I know it's dirty. I gotta get everything out of there, but you know, it's a work in progress around here. Alright, so that's what's going on with my driveway and my Mustang. Now I gotta show you guys something on the Jeep that I found, and I haven't showed you guys yet, but you know, Jeep quality. I really think it should have been caught at the factory and fixed before it got released, but my Jeep has a factory defect, and I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Alright, so I picked up my Jeep, and when I brought it to the detailer to get my ceramic coat, I noticed that as I was dropping it off and showing him that my car has a paint defect. And let me see if I can get this to show you guys. But if you look right here, there is a little bubble in the paint. And I'm gonna try to do different angles here to see if you can see the little speck. And what it is, it seems like there's dirt or something under the paint. So Jeep painted my car, and there was this defect there, and they didn't even fix it. They're just like, close enough. So I've got this tiny speck under the paint, and I hope you guys can see it, but I'm just gonna live with it. I'm not gonna have them repaint it because, you know, let's face it, you don't want to get your paint redone on a Jeep, because then you'll have quarters that don't match and people will think it got into an accident or whatnot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. You know, Jeep should have caught it at the factory and fixed it before it went out, but you know, I guess that's the quality you get with a $50,000 Jeep. You know, they do shitty paint work, but what can you do? And up here I want to show you something too. Is my detailer showed me this right here. I've got a little dent, and I'm not sure how it got there. He said maybe hail damage. I think it's possible maybe a stick fell on it or whatnot. But there's a tiny dent in my roof, and that's another thing I'm not really going to worry about, because, you know, it's on the roof and it's not that noticeable. And if I didn't tell you where it was, you probably wouldn't find it, because most of the time you don't see the roof. So that's a dent, and it's on top of my roof. But the rest of the Jeep is looking good. I'm happy with it so far. I've got 1,000 miles on it, and it's been running good. You know, I have no complaints. I love it. But there is a couple little tiny flaws. that my new Jeep has. But what are you gonna do? So that's all I have for you guys now. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. And if you like my videos, subscribe, and there'll be more in the future. Thanks.